Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Harrison's Garage. I'm Harrison, and today we've got a nice little review on sunshades. You'll see behind me I have the PiGenius, I think I'm pronouncing that right, I hope I am, the PiGenius sunshade here. And over here is my old one. Now, why do I have a new one? Couple reasons. I've had that one for probably 4 years, 5 years now, 6 years now, and it's starting to show some wear. And rather conveniently, a couple folks over at PiGenius reached out to me and asked if I'd be interested in trying their product. So yes, this is sponsored, but also yes, these reviews are very, very real. So let's take a look. This is my old cover. It is a Covercraft. Fundamentally, these two covers seem to be about the same quality. This one's just old and beat up. It's, like I said, been in my truck for actually my last two trucks. Both this black truck and my white Ram had the same windshield, so I've used it for both. You can see it's kind of falling apart at that seam there, that seam, so it is definitely time for a new one. Enter the PiGenius sunshade. Again, same template as it should be, same quality product. I will have a link to their website and quite possibly also their Amazon store in the video, I guess below the video. I've opted for the kind of silver gray front. Take a look at the back. There we go. It's got a nice kind of felt backing. Pretty straightforward. It's a very nice hard folding sunshade. I like this more than the sort of soft ones. This does a very nice job of covering up almost every area in the truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in there, show you what it looks like, and get this wrapped up. All right, got the sunshade in. As you can see, it does a very nice job of covering, I'd say, at least 95% of that windshield. These hard covers, they're just really nice for me to keep in here, especially with the truck being as black and dark as it is inside and out. I find these absolutely necessary on these sort of hot California summer days. I got the sort of gray silver reflective coating on the front. Does a very nice job. Looking at how this cover's mounting in here and how everything fits, it's, I gotta say, exactly the same in terms of what I'm coming from on the Covercraft. So PiGenius, yeah, you get a thumbs up from me. All right guys, so sunshade is mounted, fits great. Not much else to it. Really pleased with how everything's made. Quality is perfect. Like I said, it's equivalent to, if not slightly better than the Covercraft. Opens up nicely, folds nicely, and it even comes in a sort of a nice fabric carrying case if you want to keep that around in the car. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments below. If you're not already, subscribe to the channel, and as always, stay tuned for more.